Well, all eyes continue to be on the double bottom here with this move to the downside, initially down to that 1180 area, quite convicted to the downside there. As you can see though, volume did pick up as part of that move, so that's potentially some quite good stopping volume we were looking at there. And then we got this nice move back up, and then that's when the double bottom triggered, hitting there just on the last day of 2013. So everything since has been onwards and upwards. Can't say it's been overly convicted, but it has been consistent, so we need to keep an eye on that as being something very positive for the future. The rising support channel prices have now stayed in that rather nicely, and ideally if we can get a break to the upside and get some better impulsive price action moving north here, well then that will be very positive indeed. Last night could be the start of that, so we'll keep an eye on it, and this type of price action was starting to nurture throughout the day yesterday and continued on, closing quite strongly into the night session there. Now that was on a slight increase in volume, slightly above average as well, so we like to see that sort of volume as well coming into play here on a reasonably solid price bar there. So we just need to see whether we're going to get some follow through here now, and as I said, if we can break out above this rising support channel, that would be very positive indeed. But the double bottom, as we keep saying, does not actually trigger until we get above this point here, which is 1435. But if we can do that, if price is able to achieve that, the projected target for that is the same distance from the double bottom to that point, and then again to the upside, and the double bottom target is coming in at 1690 just there. Now that's a very positive move as well, because it's going to get above this old support line now acting as resistance, and if price can do that and then stay above this line circa 1540, well then that could induce further upside price action eventually over the course of time. So looking at that as being a very positive move if we are to get it. But first things first, we need to see if this can sustain. It's sustaining nicely in the rising support channel at the moment, but really the be all and end all of this and part of our longer term bullish analysis here is that the double bottom does trigger above 1435. So that's what we're waiting on at the moment, all looking pretty good at this point in time.